Crunchy or soft? Spicy or mild? Meaty, cheesy, veggie, or even unexpected? Meet the taco, that ingeniously simple shell, ready to hold a universe of flavor. It all starts with the tortilla, corn or flour, skillfully shaped and toasted until it's lightly charred, pillowy, and warm. This isn't just a delivery mechanism for filling, it's the heart and soul of the taco itself. Next comes the filling. Think sizzling steak strips, juicy marinated chicken, slow braised pork carnitas, or rich spiced barbacoa. If you crave plant power, there's room for black beans, earthy mushrooms, seared tofu, or smoky jackfruit. Tacos play no favorites. They're all about making every bite satisfying. And then, the toppings. This is where tacos come alive. A spoonful of tangy salsa, chopped onions for crunch, vibrant cilantro for freshness, maybe a creamy dollop of guacamole, or a handful of grated cheese. And always, always, that wedge of lime at the end. Its citrusy spark makes flavors pop and taste buds dance. Tacos are casual street food royalty. They're affordable, portable, and endlessly customizable. From bustling taco stands at midnight to lively tables on Taco Tuesday, these handheld treats have powered late nights and brightened afternoons, always bringing people together. So grab a taco. No fork, no judgment, just fun. Bite in and grin as salsa drips and flavors burst. Because tacos aren't just something you eat, they're something you celebrate. Folded with care, filled with flavor, made to share. Tacos, tiny shell, big flavor.